Are you tired of continuously doing the same thing over and over and over? Are you stressed at work and you're looking for a way out? My name is Mary, originally from Nigeria, a retired midwife. I was actually curious, thinking about what I'm going to do for retirement, because before now, I used to miss a lot of milestones of my children. I'm never there, always busy. As you all know, a midwife is always on demand and we are always very busy. And so I'm never at home. I'm never at home for anything, as in come in and go out. That is what I do. Me and my husband used to exchange our children at the door because somebody have to pay the bills. Somebody have to go out there and work. And that was our lifestyle. And that was how it was for many, many years, until one day I woke up to reality. I said to myself, life cannot carry on like this. There must be a way out. Then I started, looking online to find something else I can do to cushion, my paycheck. I don't want to continue to live paycheck to paycheck anymore. I was looking for a way out. Are you looking for a way out? Are you tired of what you're doing right now? Are you stressed at work? Is the stress overcoming you, taking over your joy, your place in your home? That was me many years ago, until I said, enough is enough. This is the time for me to begin to look elsewhere, to look somewhere else, to find, a second paycheck or a second passive income. And that was when I found this business. I don't know what your pain point is. I don't know what you're actually looking to do. Perhaps you're looking to take early retirement. Everybody have this goal they have set for themselves. Everybody like, the sound of early retirement. If that is you, you're looking to take an early retirement and you don't know what to do, you don't know where to look, and you don't know where to invest, follow my link. Check out this business. See how this business can transform your life. If it has transformed my life, it can transform yours too. And guess what? I was able to take that early retirement. When I found this business, you grow this business. It grows with you. It becomes yours for life. You can even will it to your children. And you can also earn pension in this business. On top of that, there is also one eyes on the cake, and that is bonuses. You also earn bonuses in this business. If that is you, if this is your pain point, if your goals align with mine, if what you're looking for look like what I have, why don't you join me? See what this business is all about. Follow my link, check out this business, and see how it can transform your life. Because if you have done it for me, it can do it for you too. God bless you.